Got our 2012 Honda Civic here today. We're going to reset the maintenance reminders. We're going to be using this menu button, information button, and this left-hand switch pack here through the center cluster. So we're going to go ahead and hit menu. And that's going to open up this. Scroll up to vehicle information, hit OK, and then OK again for maintenance info. From there, just hit OK again. It's going to ask you to reset, yes or no. Scroll down, click yes, and you are all set. There are other options in here as far as tire rotation, engine coolant, all that. You can also reset those as you would like. The same way, just hit OK, yes or no, select yes, and it will reset all the other informations.